All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver. Firstly, and with safety in mind, disconnect and eliminate all power to your oven. We need to gain access to the top of the oven. If your oven is in a recess, remove the screws found at the front and gently pull your oven out, asking for help if needed. Then remove the screws on the back and the top to remove the panel on top of the oven. On this particular Hotpoint model, you'll see two similar parts. We need to remove the one with the pink wire and yellow wire. Firstly, disconnect the two wiring connectors. Then unscrew the screw holding the thermal cut in or cut out in place, and you'll then be able to slide it out. With your new thermal cut in, slide one part into the slot and then re-screw the screw back in to hold it firmly in place. Then reconnect the wiring to your new thermal cut in. Now pop your oven top panel back on and re-screw all of the screws removed earlier. And that's it, your new thermal cut-in is all set to go.